Good morning. Welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this video presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX copper market today. Before looking into that, let's see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart which you are seeing is a Goodwill Commodities starting tool. Whenever I place the cursor on any particular candlestick, you can see the date and time below. This tiny candlestick, ash color candlestick, indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened somewhere near 458.7. What we expected yesterday was we expected that copper has got the potential to stay in uptrend, having 456 as one of the most and major important support. Now let us see what happened after the price opening. After the price opening, we know that on the previous day the price was struggling a bit in this particular area of 459. So the price took some resistance around 459, and you can see it was a straight away continuous drop to push the price towards 456, which was our major support zone. Then the price tried to give a bounce back. Finally it failed, and so many times whenever the price was testing 456, this particularly marked our major support zone, there was some bounce back and the price could not stay above that, or it could not recover. Right after the price opening, we could witness a continuous fall with decreasing in the high. So why we expected the price to stay in downtrend? On the previous day, if you see, that was on 17th of January, we got a very good price action in this particular point where the price provided a breakout above 456 and the price closed higher. So that was the reason we took a minor risk in predicting that copper can stay in uptrend. Yesterday there was a bit of low volatility because of some holiday in the US market. So what we can do today? So copper, again, we know the last few weeks we were trying hard to push something above and below 456. We know that we cannot take this easily. 462 was a major resistance, and 456 and 452, we had made it very clear for this particular contract, these two are the greatest supporting trend deciding zones. So what we can do today? Again, we are into the mixed trend, since we are seeing copper at 456. So there is no change in our strategy, because as a continuous trader or in copper market, as a seasoned trader in copper market, you know that this is how copper will react. It will test our patience. At last, finally, when we are tired, the market will give a lot of price action, but we are not going to be tired. We are going to put our focus still on this 456, and let us see what's going to happen. So what we are expecting today is that in this type of trouble, as we all know, a Goodwill Commodities tool, our charting tool, can do a lot of help in relieving us from these type of major zones. So what we are expecting is that still we are expecting that copper has got the potential to stay in uptrend by taking some support around 456. If we see a failure today, if the price is not staying above 456, and if you see any price action below 455 and the price closing below 455, then copper is really in the danger for the buyers. So for buyers will be in particularly in danger if the price is going to come down below 455, and if there is a price closing below this. So it can possibly reverse the trend. So it is a very crucial zone. There is no other option for copper traders rather than taking positions on both the sides. So initially we will stay and put our focus on buying. Still we are expecting copper has got some potential to stay in uptrend, so by taking some support around 456. In order for our expectation, in order to fulfill our expectation, what we are expecting today is that what should happen today was it should take some support around 456, and we need a price closing above 458 today, so that it can again pull a lot of buyers into action. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. Today is going to be a very crucial day for copper traders. We know it is a big testing time for us, but there is no other option other than to pass this testing time. So let us see